Okay, the usual nice and easily identifiable starting point, Shinjuku Station East Gate. Thought I'd just do a little scoot through the underground here around the station, underground walkway. It's a tad after 9 o'clock, so it's going to be hectic like anywhere, but that's what I want to show. I mean, like anywhere at peak hour. There'll be lots of movement. My usual insecurity about talking with people around me might be gone because everybody's on a mission. They won't be hanging around me for long. So I pretty regularly walk around here, not that I know it well, but I think I can get from east to west okay. West side, you've got Tokyo Metropolitan Building, where you can head for free sort of 42nd, 45th floor, free viewing point. Quite a queue these days, but nice views on the right day. It also has a great light show on the side of those buildings at night. You know, like a Pac-Man kind of thing, using the facade of the building as a backdrop. Quite good. But this is Shinjuku Station East Gate. A little quieter than I thought. Everybody's probably at work. These ads change regularly. Beautiful blue colour at the moment. I don't know, is it Tiffany's? I don't remember what it was, but I noticed it the other day. One day they were advertising a bullet train movie, I think, with the train sliding along that big billboard over there. I like that. Sometimes some of these billboards, I'm not sure if it's in this particular area, but they'll put advertising for a band new album or something, and they even have security guards, I think, because not so much fear of losing the billboards, but just cluttering up the area with the young and old taking photos. So, yeah, there's one exit. Not too hectic. Sure, it gets more hectic than this with the 3.5 million wandering through here every day. Right now, that's fairly typical. So to get out of here sometimes I take the wrong exit, but that's okay. Half the time I just want to get to the surface, and then I can work out where I am. Some exits I know better than others, but this is a nice sweep through from east to west, pretty easy. So to the right's Kabuchiko, I'm not going that way. Pretty well people keep left and right. Always plenty of renovations going on around here, or there has been from my experience. Sometimes you think with such a huge population that it'd be busy flat out like this all day, but oops, I feel like I'm on the wrong side all of a sudden. We're really come in the middle of the day, and it's quite sedate, trying to get through, so I want to be over here. Everyone's pretty focused on where they've got to go. Everybody's pretty well in dark clothes too. So that was the JR lines before. This is the KO lines here, and I think I've gone past the area to turn to the Odakyu. KO, not as hectic. Just having a look, and we'll spin around and head towards the west exit, because we're just about showing you what I wanted to already. And some of these underpasses or walking areas underground go from kilometres. So a really nice way to, on a wet or a excessively hot day, to get around from one side to the other of this area. You'd think Shinjuku Station would be impossible, but I don't find it too bad. I don't find it too bad at all. I'll just give you a little look at the walkway, at least the start of it, on the way to the Metropolitan Building, government office block. It almost takes us to Chuo Park, where pretty well does, where I've filmed before. Lovely spot. The Metropolitan Building in the background. Lots of greenery. So we're pretty well at the west exit already. Bus station's over here. There'll be a few people heading this way for sure. When I come for my early morning coffee, it's one of the most popular spots to disembark. Is walking distance to this area. A lot of office blocks. See, this is the one I often follow for Metropolitan Government and Chuo Park. The nice thing, if you've done your steps for the day, or feeling a bit lazy, the nice thing is they've got a walkway. Changes direction depending on the busyness of the day. Right now, I might scoot along here a bit. Some people use them as a stand and let it take you along scenario, but I think it's still got to walk. Double your speed. So Shinjuku Station seems easy now, doesn't it? Coming from east to west, no time at all. Wonder how it's big enough to fit all those people and trains every day. Pretty well one direction, huh? pop out up here. I'll turn her off and head back into the station to grab a train back to my accommodation. It's 9:13. I know, because of that clock up there. Crowd's thinned out already. As you saw as we walked past plenty of office buildings you could turn off to left or right. Really handy this when it's raining. And as I said, summer. Big relief. So if you stay on this side of Shinjuku, which I do recommend, it's quiet, it's green, it's got everything you need and it's so close to the station. Much more conservative than the other side or around Kabuchika. Really nice actually. But yeah, easy to get to the station, huh? So that's the KO Plaza Hotel there. Lost in translation hotel, I can't remember the name of. Up and to the left, same with, what's that one called? Not Windsor. Forgotten the name for the moment. We're about done. Might have seen the beginning of the clip, might have seen the Cocoon Tower I turned towards after the cat advertisement. That's a Cocoon Tower through there, the tree, you can kind of see it if you know what you're looking for. People sweeping by, autumn colours happening, not so cool. That'll do for now, and catch you later.